హాయ్ మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు శ్రీ బిగ్నర్ ట్యూటోరియల్స్. ఈ రోజు మనం ఈ సెషన్ లో ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్ కి సంబంధించి ఎక్సర్సైజ్ నెంబర్ 6.2 లో నుంచి 13th క్వశ్చన్ చూద్దాం. సో 13th క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఫర్ వాక్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ n ఆర్ ద nth టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ 2 APs 63, 65, 67 and so on and 3, 10, 17 so on ఈక్వల్. అంటే వీటి యొక్క nth టర్మ్స్ అనేవి దీని యొక్క nth టర్మ్ దీని యొక్క nth టర్మ్ ఎప్పుడు ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది అనేది క్వశ్చన్. సో వెరీ వెరీ సింపుల్. ఫస్ట్ వాడు ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రాసుకుందాం. సో గివెన్ 2 APs are 63, 65, 67 and so on. సెకండ్ AP సిరీస్ వచ్చేసి 3, 10, 17 and so on. సో ఫస్ట్ సిరీస్ లో ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ వచ్చేసి దిస్ ఈస్ A1, దిస్ ఈస్ A2, దిస్ ఈస్ A3. సెకండ్ సిరీస్ లో ఇది ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్, ఇది సెకండ్ టర్మ్, ఇది థర్డ్ టర్మ్ అండ్ సో ఆన్. సో ఫస్ట్ we have to calculate, we have to find the value of n. Find the value of n. That is, let the first AP series let the first AP series be 63, 65, 67 and so on. This is the first AP series he was given, in which this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. First we write the first term, that is A1 is equal to A is equal to 63. Next is common difference, that is D is equal to A2 minus A1. 65 minus 63, that is nothing but 2. Common difference is nothing but 2. Next we have to calculate the nth term of this series. So what is the nth term? What is the formula for nth term? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is A value 63, n value we don't know, the difference is 2. So now 63 plus 2 into n become 2n, plus into minus become minus 2. So that is 63 minus 2 is nothing but 61 plus 2n. This is the nth term of first series. So now calculate the nth term of second series. First we will write the series. Let the second AP series be 3, 10, 17 and so on. So now here is the first term is 3, second term is 10, third term is 17. So now we write the first term, that is A1 is equal to A is equal to 3. Common difference is nothing but A2 minus A1 is equal to 10 minus 3. That is nothing but 7. 10 minus 3, that is nothing but 7. Now we need to calculate the nth term. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So the nth term formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. Here a value we have to substitute, that is 3. n value we don't know. Difference is nothing but 7. 3 plus 7 into n is nothing but 7n minus 7. So that is minus 4 plus 7n. This is the nth term of second series. So now what he was saying, nth term of two series are equal. Nth terms are equal. That is nth term of the first series and the nth term of second series both are equal. Equate them. Bring this one to left side. Take this one to right side. Minus 61. So here the difference is minus 5. Here the difference is minus 5. If we add these two, we will get minus 65. Minus minus is going to cancel on both the sides. It is equal to 65 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 3 is 15. So their 13 terms are equal. Therefore, 13th terms of 13 terms of both series are equal. So n value we are getting 13. Just check this once again.